Hello my babies, welcome back to my channel, to La Familia, one day more. I hope you are feeling amazing and wonderful and blessed like always. How are you? I'm feeling amazing. It's Sunday, I'm off, I could rest, I could sleep. Yes. I wanted to come here quickly and inspire you, help you to know and acknowledge that the universe has your back. How do I know? When you just get these signs, you know for sure you are following the path that you're supposed to follow. When we also notice the most, all these signs, all these symbols, all these repeating numbers, all these conversations with God, with the universe, with source, with your higher self, with your angels, whatever you believe in, whatever you want to call it, like, it's totally fine. Just something that resonates with you. Bear with me 1 second, I'll be back. Whew. Okay, where was we? Synchronicities and what they mean. And you must be thinking, if it's the first time that you watch videos about law of attraction and about universal laws, let me tell you, synchronicities is that thing that happens, that event that make you feel like, oh my gosh, wait, hold up, why? If I've been thinking that I want to go here, I've been thinking that I want to get this, why it keeps on appearing in my current reality. The reason why it's showing up is not to make you feel bad, it's not to make you feel jealous of the person that has it, of the person that is already experiencing what you want to experience. It's just to let you know that it's accessible, that you can have it as well. It's like the universe is like, you want this? Here you are. That you are feeling and vibrating in the right vibe, in the same frequency that you expand yourself. It's what will be mirrored back to you, and the universe is just showing you like, look, it's possible, you can have this. Everything that we experience, it depends on the perception and the point of view that we look at it, what lenses you are looking at the world with. Like, what are you zooming in, what are you focused on, that you have no resistance whatsoever, that you know it's yours, that you know it's coming, so you're relaxed, you're chilling, you're not stressing about it, you're just cool. Then it's when you are like open, like you let go of this thing that you're holding in your hand so tightly. So if you're holding something in your hand like this and you don't open your hand to receive again, you are holding on to something that it's a limiting belief, old belief, and it's like an old thought pattern, and you need to let go of all the things that are holding you back. This is holding you back from attaining this goal manifestation, this desire that you have so bad. So when it starts showing up into your reality, it's just to let you know that you can have it, and you can ask for signs. Start with small things like, okay, let me, for example, in my case, when I see like butterflies, because my name Vanessa, it's a type of butterfly. So for me, when I see a butterfly like flying like out of the blue, I know and I feel it here. It's so strange. It's like a connection that I'm making. I'm noticing the signs. And when somebody is just suddenly like coming and talking to you about, oh, you want to go somewhere, then this person is coming and talking to you about this place, or you sit somewhere and then next to you there is people talking about this place, or then randomly you will start seeing this on your feed, on the news. What the heck is going on? Then you know you are in the right path to manifest this. It's so clear. Also, secondly, when you start dreaming, or when you can hop into that desired situation in your mind very easily, like when you are visualizing and you kind of daydreaming. I don't call it visualizing much because it sounds too technical for me. I call it daydreaming because that's what I naturally do, and usually it happens when I'm like about to fall asleep. It's when all these images and ideas and all these things like start coming in my head, because you are like transitioning from being fully awake to going into deep into subconscious, and your consciousness is sleeping, which is what keeps you oh, how can you manifest this? You don't have even this. Like all this ego talk and all this chatter that you and me, we sometimes struggle to make it like shut up, literally, like I don't need you right now, thank you very much. But yeah guys, when you have no resistance and you can hop into that thought, into that feeling, into that five senses experience that you can get also when you are scripting, when you are journaling, just use whatever is best for you. You can use as well a vision board. I'm planning to make one, not so much for this year, but for like the near future. Like I try not to put time frame into them because yeah, I want to let things happen when they're meant to. Maybe you're looking at images and you can transport yourself into that place, into that moment. And last but not least, something that happens to me all the time, I see recurrent numbers, and some days I will literally look at the time, always 11:11. My boyfriend knows this very well. Every time I send him a screenshot like, oh my god, I didn't look at the time since this morning, and look, wow. Especially when I talk to him, a lot of times it's because I'm in such a high vibe, or sometimes 1:11, or there are days where I'm really high vibing and I feel like everybody's so nice to me because I'm also putting that out. And it's crazy because I start seeing it like at 3:33, and then I look again and it's 4:44. Oh my god. And then I look again, it's like 5:55. Wow, chill. Angels, I see you. I understand you're here right now. Sorry guys, I'm back. I was going into nighttime when it's like 1 p.m. You must be thinking, what the heck is she on? I'm on nothing. I'm about to go out in a minute. I hope you don't mind me being real and being just going from here to there and chatting and rambling about, because that's just me. And I'm not gonna edit this part, so from now on I'm gonna try to edit less, and just if I make any mistakes, as you know, English is not my first language, so I try my best, put the effort, and get to you guys in a clear way. I hope you appreciate this. I mean, really. You will be able to say, well, if I'm having a bad day today, I'm gonna flip it around, because I know when I'm in good spirits, all the things that I see happening and all the things that I manifest. And my colleague the other day at work, I was all day saying to my colleague, oh my god, I want chocolate so bad, to my colleague downstairs. And then I go to the offices, and guess what? One of my colleagues that didn't know me only for 2 days, he's like, hey Vanessa, you want some chocolate? Just like this, boom. And I was like, are you for real right now? Especially when I'm like this, it's crazy the amount of things that wow, it's just, and being specific as well. I will do a video about more things that I've manifested that you'll be like, okay girl, like what are the chances? Yes, that kind of thing. It blows my mind every time. I have so much respect. And how can you not believe in these things when things like this out of the blue happen? They never out of the blue, but a lot of us have this belief that, nah, that's just coincidences. How can it be? Like, there is a force working behind the scenes and you just cannot see it. So if you can't see it, doesn't mean it's not existing. You just have to respect it. If you don't, then you're gonna attract things that you don't want. Start preaching and speaking life and positivity into your existence, because boo, your life matters and you are worthy of every single thing that you desire. So thank me later. I know this is something so common sense, but most of us don't act on it, don't do it, don't feel it, and we should. So this is just a reminder. Love your life and smile and keep on following and pursuing your dreams and goals. Put the effort and take action, and things will happen for you in time. So thank you so much for being here, for your time. I love you and I appreciate you guys. And if you haven't, please subscribe. I hope that this video helped you and serve you in any way possible. I will see you all in my next video. So until then, remember to let this one know who you are, because we all need some of that. So bring your uniqueness out and let the world know seriously who you are, what you're here for, and what are your qualities, and just be unique. I love you, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, besos. Bye, guys.